y'all, this is Kel and I'm back to do another video for you guys. Hey, so I am back in my bathroom. Yeah, I am. Because it is about 9 p.m. and I have no more light and I don't have good lighting in my house and all I have is this ring light here, okay? So I got a wig that I really want to try for y'all. And y'all know how that is. Once I get the wig, I want to put it on. So I have a wig by Unice or... yeah, Unice or Unice. I've heard people say it in different ways, so I'm not exactly sure. So here's the box here. I did get this off Amazon. They sent me some lashes. I got a headband, which is really cute. They sent me a wig cap, which I needed. And then, of course, the wig here. And I got a T-Part wig. Of course, all of the specs of this wig will be down in the description box so everyone can see this. But I did get it off Amazon and it is a T-Part wig. We got some highlights going on, some different colors, and I'm excited. So, here she is. She came pre-curled, which is good. So, here's Miss Mama's, cause, whoo, that's bright. I wasn't expecting that to be that bright, but that's her. She's pre-curled. She cute. She cute. She cute. It don't look like I do much already. I've never had a T-part wig, but could I bleach these knots? Yeah, I could, but because it's a T-part wig, I would have to cut that out. So these are the insides of the wig. So we have a skin top and the regular cap construction around it. I believe this is 150 density. Have a little bit of lace here. And that's it. This is all the lace I have. So I want you guys to see this. That is all the lace that I have. It doesn't go around the sides or anything. It's just this little 4x4 little piece, and this is the actual part of the wig. Those are the highlights in her. She is like a 4'27", 30". It's a lot of blondes and browns in her, and I like it. I really, really do. So I must figure this out. So I've never had a T-part wig before. So hopefully I can figure this out without killing it. And of course, y'all, my toilet. We talked about this in the last video about my toilet. Which I gotta fix, and they told me I had trash in my line, so now I have to get like a real plumber to come out here. But that's not what this video is about, okay? Okay. But that's this. And so I'll be back with a video with the wig on, and we're gonna see what we can do with Miss Girl here. I am back with the wig on. Just a disclaimer, Toilet is acting up today. Don't know what's going on. She's like damn near flushing herself, so I have no idea. So this is Unice or Unice Blonde Loose Wave Human Hair Wig. She's pre-plucked with baby hair, Brazilian Ombre Highlight T-Part Wig and 150 density, and she is in an 18 inch. Okay, and the color is TL1B427. Okay, right? I am in love with this here wig. She already came with these good old pretty curls, so I did not disturb them. I just pretty much put my finger combed them out. That's all I did do. I did cut these layers in the front just before I can have a little swoop action, right? If I decide to wear this wig out, which I am going to cut the skin top out of it. I don't really like it. I didn't really like it in synthetic wigs. I'm not gonna like it in human hair wigs. So I feel like what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut that out and I'm going to bleach it, because you can still see the knots in it a little bit. I did not put any foundation here or any powder in it. There go Miss Toilet. She told you she acting up. So yeah, I didn't put any powder in there. I want you guys to see what it looked like, but I feel like you can conceal that with powder. But I also feel like you can just bleach it and it'd be less noticeable altogether. Like if you have the human hair wig, you might as well treat it like a human hair wig. That's just my opinion. You don't have to do that. If you feel comfortable just putting the powder or foundation in a part, that's good for you. That is great. You know, no pressure here. But she's not shedding. No tangling. This is really, really pretty, and I really, really like it. I really don't have much to say about it because she came pre-curl. You didn't have to curl her too much, but I did use my Mary Duvolle flat iron to curl her and, you know, bump this in a little bit, bump this. And she did a good job bumping, honey. And that's it. I don't really have much to say about her because she was that easy. All I did was use the Gossipy spray and the glue, and I put my little headband on, my little stretch elastic band that I got from the Joann's Fabrics, and that is it. That's all I did, y'all. And I did put a light bead upon my face because I felt like this wig needed a light bead. Just a light bead. Just a little foundation and some concealer and some mascara. That's all we did. We ain't do nothing special. I ain't going nowhere. It is 10:23 in the PM. We ain't going nowhere. But I really did like this. This is all the lace that you get. It stopped from here to here. As you can see, I did not cut all of it off. So if you do see that anytime in the video, this is where you know it. So I didn't cut it all the way off. And this is just regular old wig cap construction on the sides. Just want you guys to see that. And there go Miss Toilet again. But that is it for this. Just wanted to know that this is probably 4x4 because she stopped here, so maybe 4x4. And that's it. It's regular cap construction on the side, so make sure you put your bobby pins, or if you want to use the combs, you can. But that is all it is. She's a pretty big cap for me. Now y'all know I'm president of the P-Head Club. My head's small. So what I think is a big cap, somebody may say is a little tight on their head. So I'm not the best person to gauge how big a cap is, okay? To me, I got room. We got room, y'all. A lot of it. A lot of room in here. So I think it's a little bit big head friendly, or as Miss Carver-Shawn say, big head adjacent. So that's what I got. That's it. But that's all for Miss Unice or Miss Unice hair. Yeah, if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you got something to tell me, go ahead and leave it down in the comment section. We can talk about it. Don't forget to share this video with all of your wig loving friends, and of course go ahead and subscribe to me. There we go. I'm not in my room. I ain't got the script. So go ahead and subscribe to me so you be a part of my wig loving family. I would definitely love for you to be a part of it. And that is all. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.